Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can mine in the Binance Pool. So the first step that you have to do is open your Binance account. So to be able to do that, just go to the Binance.com, sign up and complete the KYC verification and enable 2FA for security. So once you're done with that, you can now create a mining account on the Binance Pool. So just go to the pool.binance.com, log in using your Binance credentials, and click dashboard, then go to the mining accounts. So from there, just click the create mining account. So you can choose your coin, like for example BTC, and also you can set a username, then tap on create. So you will now use the username for your mining configuration, so you can then start mining. So you can power up your ASIC miner, so enter the Binance Pool URL and the worker ID in the miner dashboard, then save and start mining. So you should begin seeing your hash rate and mining stats in your Binance Pool dashboard after a few minutes. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!